Holy fucking shit. Holy fucking shit. What the fuck? XDC, I don't know what that is. How are we though? Sorry, I'm super fucking late. How are we? What the fuck did I miss? Oh. Sorry, I just got home, so sorry. I fucked with my fucking mouth. Been out all fucking day. No. What up, Xander? Sorry, I'm super fucking late. And I'm starving. I usually don't eat much, but I've been out this entire fucking day. I just walked in the door. Hair's looking good? Dude, it's fucked. I've had a hat on and off all fucking day. It's fucked. But thank you. Bro, chips are so good. Fuck. Alright, no one's listening to that shit, so. That'll do it for now. How are we? How are we? What the fuck is SXDC? Ah, some crypto. Man, I don't fucking know. There's so many cryptos out there. I mean, if you got in a week ago, you would have made some money. Alright, man. I honestly don't know. I'm eating grilled cheese. Oh, bro, I'm so fucking hungry. Bought a new monitor. Mad. For the office? Shit. Fuck, I got fucking notifications coming out of my ass. You're odd. That's who I was about to respond to. I just opened that. So I've been out all day. That's why I haven't been very active. So they shouldn't. I tested that because Speedy had a problem with it, where he turned it off and it turned off all the he turned off something and it cancelled all his pairs out, which it should not do. And then I tested it and it never happened to me. So if you want to be another test dummy, sure. But I'm not too sure. You're the one that messaged you? Probably not. Look on this account. Was it on TikTok? Look on this account and just go to this account now messages. And if I didn't message you, then probably not. I can check though. 27-inch curve. Fuck yeah. Okay, Euro odd. The Euro went nuts. I haven't looked at anything. I was so fucking busy last night. And then today I literally woke up and I was out the fucking door and I just walked in home. And just realized I'm in like a million fucking positions and the Euro has gone absolutely fucking nuts. So, just give me 1 second. The euro has gone fucking absolutely insane. Ah, fuck no, I need to get it. So my euro odd, I'm in shitloads right now. Which is this is the thing with the 5-5 is you're gonna get caught out like this, but I mean, I'm fine. But the 5-5s, I don't know. I'll have a look in 1 second. Oh, someone has the same years as you. Message me about trading. Yeah, there's fake accounts everywhere, bro. Fake accounts fucking everywhere. It's fucked. You seen Frizzle just eat a huge W. What? No? I'm caffeinated and I just have more energy than anyone else. You gotta get shit done. 27-inch curve. Nice, nice. Oh, get a win. Right, yeah. No. I did actually make a fair bit of profit last 2 days. We're chilling. We're making money. Love the haircut. Thank you very much. I got my haircut like a week and a half ago. Yeah, just be careful of fake accounts, Isaac. I apologize. Don't fall for that bullshit. Anyway, euro odd. What the fuck even happened? So we had super negative CPI, and the thing with CPI is everything's going to get thrown around if we get crazy numbers, right? So we're negative across the fucking board. So everything's going to get thrown around, and then coming out with GDP as well being super negative for the pound is just the fucking cherry on top. So unfortunately, stuff like this just happens, but you can look at it as an unfortunate thing or a fortunate thing, because a lot of movement means a lot of positions, which means a lot of money. So I'm not worried about this at all. For 5-5, I don't know what sort of exposure you guys are going to have, depending on how many pairs you're running, which I always recommend running very, very few amount of pairs, because if you get this on Euro odd and then Euro CAD's the exact same and Euro Swiss is Euro Swiss is fine. You know, you can get stuck in this shit, especially if you're on 5-5. I'm chilling, right? I'm chilling. But if you guys are doing 5-5, you're going to get caught out. And I say this all the time. The mighty big cat W content. Thank you very much, bro. I appreciate it. I appreciate it a lot. Yeah, Speedy, fuck. You're in like €1 million position, so... Man, I said too much euro a million times. You just gotta, yeah. Just gotta stick to a few, because this shit happens frequently. Like, but this is good. You are seeing this stuff happen and experiencing it. I just know that this stuff is gonna happen. That's why I try and drill it into you guys that it will happen. Now you're just seeing it happen firsthand. Love the haircut. Yep, thank you. What's the amount you say is a good start point to begin day trading with? It depends on who you are. You could be trading with fucking $500 and you can make a little bit of money, or you could be trading with 50 grand and be making decent amount of money. It's subjective to who you are, but to start off with, you should be demo trading anyway. Building up capital for when you actually go live. A good amount. I mean, I started with 20 grand after 2 years of back testing and demo trading. And I just built my cash up to chuck into the market. So that's what I recommend. Nice. What app's the best for investing? Investing, I don't know in particular. Like long-term investing, I don't know. I just use MetaTrader 4. You can use MetaTrader 4 as well, but you probably, if you're investing, you're probably doing stocks and shit. So, that's more about what sort of brokerage. Which Blackpool, I don't think has many stocks. Yeah, let me know what you're in, Speedy. Yeah, I was swinging my challenge account yesterday and lost 200 because of CPI. Rip. Yeah, not surprised. HCTI. I don't know what that is. What's an amount you'd say is good? Yeah, just answer that. How did Aussie dollar CAD get affected by CPI though? Well, because the US dollar is like the universal currency, all pairs would have been most likely affected by extremely negative US dollar news, right? Not only that, like they all will, almost everything, right? The Aussie dollar CAD, the CAD is, the Canadian dollar moves quite similarly to the US dollar. So whenever there's US dollar news, the Canadian dollar is moving almost the exact same. I've been waiting to get out, but no good. Yeah. Yeah, you just got caught in heaps, eh? Yeah, let me see what we're dealing with. Oh, shit! Yep, too many. This is what happens, though. Like... fuck. I don't know how many times I said there was too many fucking euro pairs, but... yeah, that's not good. Can you scale out of anything? Can you take 50% off here, 50% off there? Like, take a lot of these down to, you know, 0.1. Take a little bit of a loss on a lot of them. Just get the drawdown under control. You still got margin. Are you fucking serious? Show me what pair. Us own the markets for real. Post a payout. I can, but I'm not going to. I'll get new funded and start trading later. Investing, do VOO aristocrat stocks for long-term dividends and growth, not financial advice. Yeah. Yep. Indian airplane crashed. Post a payout. Why? Do you know how easy it is to fake that shit? I wouldn't. Fake account coming in here to talk shit. I'm just gonna ignore you. Show you legit then. Jesus fucking Christ. God, why did I do that? Oh man, I put so much shit in place to stop that from happening. This is the thing, right? So I'll explain this in 1 second. Do you trade the S&P 500 all talk? Yeah. Yeah, I literally have no idea what I'm talking about. I actually secretly have a day job that I go to every single day to pay my bills. I don't actually stay awake till 6 o'clock in the morning. I've never made profit on trading ever in my life. You're right, bro. You're right. I apologize that you have to sit here and just be really mad. Hope you're doing good, bro. Market has been choppy. I'm chilling. I'm literally chilling. He is legit. Thank you, Xander. You don't even need to bother with this guy. Gives a shit. What up, Sean? Gold with a massive bull, then bear drop earlier in the past 1-ish hours. I don't trade gold. Yeah, I suppose, yeah. Oh, shit. Hi, Kien. Thank you very much for following me. What are you trading? Forex. What happened? Just with the market, CPI and GDP. Can't see shit. Yeah, sorry. On the live hustle, I see you, bro. Thank you. I just got home. I just went live. I've been out all fucking day. Cool. Prove you're legit then. Why? I don't need to. I don't give a fuck. If you don't like it, leave. You had a good day? Yeah, it's good. It's good. Stressful. I'm stressing the fuck out. What strategy? Dollar cost averaging, mean inversion, martingale. Have you got a favorite currency pair to trade? Nah. What is trading in one sentence? Buying and selling financial assets in hopes for a profit. Matt, are you following me? Forex, okay, yeah. What capital is needed for currency trading to make a few hundred per trade? Depends on your risk. Depends on your risk. And it depends on your risk to reward and all of that shit. Like, that's a difficult question. That's a difficult question. Euro pound is still going up, bro. I should have held that. 49 pips for my TP, so close. It lol, 100. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. You take your profit, you walk away. It doesn't fucking matter if, you know, coulda, shoulda, woulda. That'll get you in big trouble in trading. US dollar versus Oz. What are you trading to? Wait, what? Forex. You want to look at the Aussie dollar, US dollar? Is that what you're talking about? And Speedy, just give me 1 second. I'll talk about that once. How long did it take? 2 years. I was demo trading for 2 years. You trade smart money concepts? Absolutely fucking not. Man, Tom, Dow Jones is confusing me. You reckon I wait for New York session? Yeah. I always wait for New York to even, to ever trading indices, ever. Options enabled. What? I'm confused. Anyway, Speedy, so this is the thing, right? I did how many I backtested this thing fucking 1 million times. Like, dude, I did so many fucking backtests. Any bug that I found, I fixed, right? Like, if bugs don't arise, I can't fix them. But the fact that it's done that, is like, so I can try EuroCAD and see if I can get it. It won't trade today though, I don't think. The data won't allow it to trade. I can try. What the fuck? But I don't think it will. Oh, fucking hell. Normal settings. Presets. Oh, I gotta put this on the fucking 5 minute. Actually, I think I have your settings here. 4 presets, Speedy. 5 minute, 5 minute, 5 minute. Okay. I can see if it will, it probably won't. It's not gonna let me. I'm just gonna run it anyway, see if something happens on EuroCAD. Fuck. Okay. What site did you use for paper trading? I just used I think it was Black Bull back then. Maybe change it to the fixed lot settings. And then I'll do like a 2000 account. I just cannot see why it would do that. I actually cannot see why. I put all the precautions and like checks. It has to check multiple times before entering a trade. That's why sometimes it takes a little bit longer. Oh, that's gonna take fuck all profit. But that's okay. I'll just, fucking hell. So I'm absolutely fucking so much shit going on. Here the big wheels. What I was talking about today. I think it was just MT4 and I was probably using Black Bull Markets for my broker at that point. What's the backtest for? I'm just trying to see if I can get a bug to happen. I need it to happen. So I can then go through the journal and fix it. I presume, when was the EuroCAD done, Speedy? Because if you might be able to go through the journal if you have the laptop. You probably don't. What do you say? I don't even know. Things aren't even in there. Yeah, bro. What do you do in your spare time when you aren't trading? At the gym, or working on the communities and shit, like talking to people. Half my fucking day is spent replying to fucking messages now. Today I was out and about all day, which is fucking different to me. I'm usually just at the gym or here. Not just my dogs followed me. Thank you very much. Fucking hell, I need to catch up. How much do you make usually? About 7.5% of my account per month. I go month to month. If mine is a trading view for chart analysis. Yeah, trading view is not bad for chart analysis. How much is it to sign up? For free. You can do all this shit for free. Missed it, Speedy, jumping between this and MT4 flat out. What were you guys talking about before? I messed with the hair for real. You reckon? It's a bit clapped right now because I've been fucking out. We did not get that happen again. Hold up, let me go. Oh yeah, my strategy doesn't work. Look at that equity curve. Yummy. Buy. That's a scale in. Buy TP, sell TP, sell TP, sell TP. Buy TP, sell TP. Buy? No, scale in. Buy. No. Sell, no. This is how long this shit takes. Like, it is actually fucked. I'm gonna go EuroCAD and then go for as long as I possibly can, which is probably a fair bit. But Bird Chop with the Heart Me Go Popular and Rose. Thank you very much. Oh, this might even blow at some point. What's this, EuroCAD? Yeah, it probably will. Whoa. 3 roses and a tofu. Thank you very much, Birchop. I appreciate that. Sorry, I got so many messages to go through. Making money is depend on you. Yeah. Got proof of the... Dude, you're fucking actually pissing me off. If you're a skilled trader, you could earn a lot, but risk it. Yeah. Can you trade tonight or just day trade? You can trade tonight. Market's open 24/5. US dollar yen. What about it? Let's get rid of this. This. Oh, we're running a back test. That's why it's fucking tweaking. The realistic profit range can be. The realistic profit range is between 3 and 10% per month. What's your opinion on leverage trading? Almost essential to make decent money. Did you learn from watching YouTube videos? Yeah, and getting mentors and buying courses and all that bullshit. Well, sorry, Tom. Tom made 20k a month. I don't know what you're talking about. Didn't I get rid of that? Bird chop. Tofu and 11 roses. No more. No more. No more. Run another way. Yeah, you need someone to teach you, and you got to be locked into one person. I'm not saying it'd be me, but you got to be locked into one person. Otherwise, conflicting information, you get mixed up with different strategies, and it's just fucked. It's literally just a nightmare. US dollar yen, it's not much going on, eh? We got a little bit of a dip. We might get down to lows and then pop back up. I'm not too sure. How much about profit loss ratio? What? But Tom is basically experienced, right? Yeah, well, I've been doing this for a fucking long time. Sell gold. I don't trade gold, mate. I apologize. 100 peeps, let's go. Yeah, we're popping off. We're popping the fuck off. Let's go. I want to trade futures, but I don't know how to read the charts. I don't trade futures, only CFDs. 114. I know, we got a lot of people in here. Big dump in Bitcoin is there. I'm not surprised. Everybody's probably fucking taking profit. Oh my God, we're back testing. So MT4's tweaking out. Mein Heart Henrico. Thank you very much for following me. So it's pretty essential to have a coach. Yeah. In my opinion, it is, yeah. I wouldn't be where I was without the guy that I eventually found. No fucking way. I'd probably still be rolling around with shitty fucking strategies that didn't make any fucking sense, and it'd be terrible. It'd be terrible. So I'm not saying me, just fucking bro. Just someone. And don't fall for the Lamborghini bullshit. They're all fake. What's your date of birth? What the fuck? It's weird. YouTube is good to learn. Yeah, you can learn good basics for free on there, yeah. I meant winning rate. What's my win rate? Is that what you're asking? It changes all the time. Changes all the time. Month by month. I always go month by month. But my win rate is different all the fucking time. Because, okay, I'll show you. Okay, cool. We just got in another trade. So, and people are gonna fucking freak out at the way I trade because fucking, it's not what the usual influencers would do. But it changes so fucking often. I actually don't have a clue. Okay, so I'll show you. So we got, I almost have a 100% strike rate on overall positions, right? So we consider this a basket, right? So on my overall position on Euro odd, this will be profitable, right? But my win rate will be affected because, so as you can see here, right? So we're in a sell. We're in 4 sells. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? We've scaled in, waiting for a pullback, which is inevitable, right? And we only risk 0.1 to 0.25% of our account. We're not doing this bullshit trade fucking 1% and then, because look how many times I would have been wrong. If I traded, look how many times I would have been wrong before I was right. So 1, 2, 3, 4. If I was using a stop loss, trying to get these wins, right? I probably could have taken profit there, but I didn't. On one position, right? So I put a stop loss up here, boom, stopped out. Stop loss up here, boom, stopped out. Stop loss up here, boom, stopped out. Stop loss up here, oh, this fucking gap, right? Blah, blah, blah. Stopped out. I would have been stopped out 4 times before I was right. So why don't we just reduce the risk? This is what a lot of financial institutions do, right? They scale in and they scale out of their positions when they get into profit. A lot of them do that. I think it's called alpha. Look up like alpha profit taking. I think that's what it's called. I can't remember. It's one method. A lot of pension funds do this too. So like your 401k, your superannuation, they do a lot of this shit, right? They scale in because it's so hard to be right. So I'm in 4 positions, right? No, I'm only in like 1% drawdown on this position overall, 1.5% drawdown. Doesn't fucking matter, right? So we're in 4 positions. This is my TP up at last week's high. That's good profit. That's good fucking profit. If our entire position, this is our break-even line too. This is our break-even line. So if we take profit on this with nice profit, tick done, these 2 positions are technically not in profit, but the entire basket is in profit. So 50% of our positions, which is what we will be looking at on our win rate, we would have a 50% win rate on this, right? But we've actually made good money on this. So my win rate, and it doesn't matter. I can be in 2 positions and one of them's wrong. I can be in 3 positions and, you know, maybe I adjust the TP to come back down to these highs or some shit because I want a little bit more profit, or I'm targeting last week's low or this large gap, right? So then my strike rate is going to change to, you know, 100% because all of these, I'll be down here and I would have taken profit on all of them. So it meant that I would have to update that shit fucking constantly. But I have an almost 100%, unless I take a loss on a position, which I very, very rarely do, take a loss on an overall position. Very rarely. I've done that like once in the last fucking year. Is taking a loss on an entire position. If I'm not doing that, I'm at technically a 100% strike rate because my overall basket is always in profit. It's called patience and reducing your risk and scaling into a position when the market's extended. Look at what. So all these institutions buying up this, buying. This can't go forever. This can't go forever. It has to come back down when all these institutions take profit. It has to come down. When they sell, all these buyers have to turn into sellers at some point. What happens when they turn into sellers? It comes back down. Fairly simple. My strike rate, I've got fucking no clue what it is. I could extract the data, but I cannot be fucked doing that. Callum's 80, thank you very much. I don't know, gibberish. Thank you very much for following me. RC, thank you very much for following me. And Nordstone, thank you very much for following me. Leon, thank you for sharing. Kiwi Trader Boy, thank you for following me. And Grinny, thank you for following me as well. Alice, thank you very much for following me. COC, Thank you very much for following me. Holy shit. Thor's Creations, thank you very much for following me. B1G, thank you very much for following me. Lucas, thank you very much for following me. Holy fuck. Jesus Christ. My overnight funding is huge. I'm above my open rate, but it's negative for some time now. Not good. Market changes all the time, and I was kind of... Yes, all the time. All the fucking time. But 80% of the time, it's in a range. 70 to 80% of the time, it's in a range. If you're not in the Discord, jump in the fucking Discord. My Discord is linked in my bio. Come have a chat. Talk shit. It's free. Is crypto crashing? I don't know. It's a bullish run, bearish. What? Anybody interested in Bitcoin? Jesus. High frequency trading. That works, yes. If you have a fucking machine that will do it for you. How are we doing on this? Oh! Look at that equity curve. Tell me my strategy doesn't work. And this is on fucking 5.5. Look at this fucking equity curve. Look at it. Tell me my strategy. People are like, oh yeah, you don't know what you're doing, blah, 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 blah. Look at the fucking equity curve. Fucking Jesus. That's full auto. I'm not even touching it. Oh my God, backtesting destroys MT4. I'm going back to the VPS. Jesus, hold up. Anybody interested in having forecast? Forecast on what? What up, Sienna? How are you? Anybody interested? Jesus Christ. Get muted. I'm just muting everyone. How much have you made already? Like $1 trillion? Well, you have a lot of people watching. Yeah, we're doing good. How much have you profited? A quazillion. How'd you get into trading? I hated working. Fucking hated it. Sucks. So I did multiple different side hustles before I ever got into trading. Some I made money on, some I didn't. I needed something that I wanted to do long term, so I got into this. That was about 5 years ago. You're so famous. Thank you. Do you clash? Coach? Yeah, I do. Discord's linked to my bio. I have a mentorship as well. That's linked to my bio. $47 a month. Some of the best coaching you're ever going to fucking find on this internet trading terrible fucking industry. Tom, do you think I should like UK go a dark mode at some point or just to lock in? Did you do that before? Go dark mode? Like just fuck everyone off? You don't have to. I just worked extremely fucking hard until ridiculous. Like I would fucking wake up at 7 o'clock in the morning, go to work, but I'd be up till fucking 5 a.m. in the morning learning how to trade. I was obsessed. I don't know anything about Bitcoin, so sorry. Before you becoming a profitable trader, you can if that's what you need to do. Yeah. Tarmax, Yannick, Nate, thank you guys very much for following me. I appreciate that. Trading pedal B, the fuck is that? SPX 16, Jesus Christ. We need more fair kings like you that stand on principle and fairness. Wait, can you guys hear me? Oops. Can you hear me? Yeah, we good? We good? We're back? Can you hear me? Okay. It just all disconnected. Fuck! But yeah, I just don't give a fuck what other people think, and I like to help, and I don't like scammers and all that bullshit, and this industry is just full of them. I got fucking scammed years and years and years ago when I tried this shit, so a lot to take in, brain overload. Yeah, so I'm trying to get I try and respond to every single person in the comments, so join my Discord and you can message me if you want. Like, you join my free one, join the mentorship. If you want one-on-ones where we can slow down and actually talk, the one-on-ones are free in the mentorship. So you get a lot of shit in there. Yep, can hear you. How do you change that? Thank you, Speedy, for pinning that. Jeremy, thank you very much for following me. All right, kind of cool. You have to download face motion keyboard. Yeah, what the fuck is this? Okay, sounds good. Jai, thank you very much for following me. And you get this bot. So all of these trades, I'm kind of plugging myself a bit tonight. I don't really like it because I don't like following, fuck, I'm reading this. Aaron, thank you very much for following me. I don't like plugging myself too much, but you get the bot that, this is all automatic, right? So let's see if this blew actually. Oh, it didn't. So this is the bot that I trade with every single day, right? This is a back test that we just ran on EuroCAD, and we doubled our money in 12 months. This was 12 months worth of data and we doubled our money. We did 100%. Tell me this shit doesn't fucking work. Tell me it doesn't fucking work. Like, come on. Come the fuck on. This is like, it's right in front of you. I just ran a fucking back test for a year. Doubled 100% of the account. Tell me it doesn't fucking work. Like, I don't know what the fuck people want. But anyway, Speedy, I'll go through those. I'm just gonna leave that up and I'll go through the results after this. It's gonna be an absolute cunt to do, but I'll do it. And try and figure out what the fuck happened. Because I don't know, I've never seen that. I've never seen it. So, yeah. What do we have? Pete! Thank you very much for following me. I appreciate it a lot. Thank you, Pete. You know who I just fucking ran into downstairs? Fucking, Josh Lawrence. Literally, like, just then. He's always walking around here. I want to get into some sort of e-com, don't want to work a job. Yeah, fuck that. I'm in South Africa. Nice. That's pretty cool. Holy shit, you're famous. Not. Hell yeah, doubled. The results are right there. Like, I can't fake that. Literally can't fake that. And that's only on one pair. That's on one fucking pair. Currently, I'm trading 19. We also need fair kings like you because you're kind and you actually care. Thank you very much. I appreciate that. What time frame the backtest on? 5 minute. Don't say that word, Tom. I don't know what I said. Yeah, I probably will get suspended. Oops. I'm in South Africa. What is a backtest? We're backtesting previous data. H2A, thank you very much for following me. So you can go back in time. So because I've developed this, it's a trading bot, right? So they're called expert advisors, but you got to code them and everything. So what you can do is you can go back in time with previous price action to the tick, right? So every tick that happens, tick, 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 you can go back for however fucking long you want, and you can test to see if your strategy will work in the future, right? And the majority of them don't work. And/or the majority do this, right? So, I mean, they usually don't make money, but, oh, fucking hell. But they usually do some shit like this, like stop loss strategies especially. Right, this is what a usual equity curve looks like on a stop loss strategy. And trust me, I've fucking backtested a lot of stop loss based strategies, and they look like this. And then maybe you make a little bit of money, maybe. But you get these huge losing streaks for fucking months and months on end. Trust, I've seen the equity curve on fucking everything. This is exactly what you want. A nice, steady, obviously we got a little bit of a dip here. That, I don't even know what that was, but steady upwards equity curve. That's just money being made constantly. No big fucking losses down and then back up and then nice, steady equity curve. It is essential when looking for a strategy that you have an equity curve similar to that. You can't make this shit up. You can't fake that. I literally just did the fucking back test in front of everyone. But what do I know? What do I know? If you want this bot, you get it for free in the mentorship. For free. Obviously, you got to pay for the mentorship, but... what's he doing these days? Oh, probably what he's always been doing. He's always walking around here and... I don't know, he's just on his, you know, his staunch missions. I don't fucking know. I just ran into him and he's like, oh, Tommy. I was like, what's going on? He's fucking nicest bloke ever, but I don't know what the fuck he does. You in Gold Coast? Nah, Brizzy. HY. Nick, whatever the name is, thank you very much for following me. The C word, yeah, I'll stop saying it. My account's not working, so no day trading today. Rip. Be good to become proficient at trading so I can quit coal trains eventually. Yeah, it's not a get rich quick overnight type shit. This took me fucking a very long time to be able to like get out of my fucking job and all that shit. So it takes time, but it's worth it. When did you get into day trading? I first started about 5 years ago. Nothing more confusing than trading, so I get out of my house every weekend. Jesus. Day trader. How did you find it? You're profitable. Yes, I'm profitable. I do this full time. And how did I find it? I actually can't remember. I can't remember. It was so long ago. I don't actually remember. What are you trading? Forex, currencies. I do currencies. I do some indices. I was doing indices like daily. So like US and German and UK index funds. But I don't do them anymore. Not at the moment for the last like 2 months, just because the price action was fucked and Trump was making things go crazy and I just couldn't be fucked. And I got to sit in front of my computer for like, fuck, it's like 6 hours just staring at this shit when I do the indices. So right now that I've started the community and everything, I just took a step back from the indices so I can focus on all my other shit. And Forex is just, it's more swing trading. So it's more longer term, you know, in and out during the days, 2 weeks, 2 months. Like I can be in for a fair bit of time. So I don't have to stare at the charts and see like every 5 minutes what's happening. Do you trade crypto? No. I have a bit of crypto, but I don't actively trade it during the day. Standard. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, literally the same shit that he's always been doing. Kramer, thank you very much for following me. WWW. Thank you very much, Aries. What's good? Can you follow trend lines and be profitable? Just wondering. No. Oh, fuck. I mean, if you're lucky, yeah, but no. Just a trend line? No. We are all looking for someone we can trust to be able to allow us to stop working for mofos. Well, you just fucking found him. Nah, dead set this. Just be careful. I don't care if it's me or anyone else. It literally, I don't hard sell my shit. This is probably the most I've ever promoted my stuff in 1 week, and I've done it in a night. But yeah, it is very difficult to trust anyone in this fucking industry. And even me, I'd be like if anybody, I would tell you to be speculative of. That's why I have the free Discord and I talk to so many people for free. Obviously, the paid one, you get a shitload more value and you can actually get on the phone to me and everything, but I'll text people. And if people have questions, you know, I'll reply to them. I just won't give away my entire strategy and how exactly it works with every single indicator and everything until people pay for it. Otherwise, they'll just steal it and sell it themselves. And this, I spent a lot of money, not a lot of money, a lot of time on this stuff, and I don't want to make it completely for free, but I made it as cheap as possible because, man, I hate to hear the stories of people fucking spending like $2,000 on a course and then it just not working at all. It's like, fucking hell. I know all the backdoor details of how this fucking industry works. And you think that now that I'm doing this stuff, I've been offered ridiculous shit? It's fucked. It's actually fucked. Like, this industry is horrible. So many scammers that just want our money and give us fuck all. Dude, 100%. 100%. Tom, why isn't everyone in the world using your bot? Because it's so unconventional. Like, that's why I won't be super popular. Jesus Christ. Rhino. Fez account. Who else do we have following? Lich. Khan, 3 Alchemy. Thank you guys very much for following me. It's because it's scary. People are programmed to use stop losses. Butchie Boy, Zolnoth, thank you very much for following me. People are programmed to use fucking... Bro, I gotta get rid of that sound. That's fucked. Julian, thank you very much for following me. People are programmed to use stop losses and are too afraid to get rid of the stop losses and reduce their risk, because people want stop losses and high risk because everyone's brains are fried, right? Everybody has TikTok brains. They need the satisfaction of making like fucking 20% on one trade. You know what I mean? Like, they need that satisfaction and they need that dopamine hit and everything. If you're making just a little bit here and there and stacking it up over the month, then you don't get that dopamine hit and everything that people are looking for. And that's just gambling, right? It's just gambling, what the majority of people do. And that's why I probably will never be popular, because fucking, you know, it's just unconventional and it's small wins consistently. Can you just follow trend? No futures, nah, CFDs only. Link in bio. What advice would you give me? I just started trading prop firms. Get a refund. Prop firms are designed for you to get your money. Fucking hell. I need more caffeine. Hold up. Prop firms are designed for you to lose challenges. That's how they make money. That's their only business model, is you losing and them getting paid. They don't want you to get payouts. They don't want you to pass challenges, because that's their overhead. That's their major overhead, is paying people out, right? They don't want you to. That's why their rules are so strict. And the majority of actual trading strategies that work are not allowed. What the fuck? Fucking hell. Holy shit, we have so many messages. I'm getting to everyone, guys. Just let me do. Your buys and sells cost much? I get a commission. I get like commission, which is fuck all, and swap fees as well for overnights and over the weekend, which are fuck all too. So not much, but they do take like a little snippet. But it's honestly, it's virtually nothing. How much profit do you average per trade? I go for 0.25% at the moment. That's if I'm in just a single trade, or if I'm in multi without adjusting the take profits. Fuck, I gotta fly through these. Tom is the best. Thank you, Sienna. I appreciate that. Did you lose money at first? And if so, a lot of it. I was demo for 2 years until I was competent. So I didn't have a cent of my money in for 2 years until I knew what the fuck I was doing and was consistently profitable for at least a couple of months. And then I jumped in. Thank you. I think I've just found the man. Thank you very much, Thor. I'll look after you, don't worry. He'll read your message. Yep. Do you keep scaling up your trades as your profit, or do you keep it below a certain amount? Do you keep scaling up your trades as you profit? Yes, it automatically. So my bot goes by account balance. So every time I enter, my initial trade size, my initial lots are calculated off of my account balance. So it's calculated off of 0.25% of my account. Yes, definitely is awesome. Thank you guys. Hey there. What up, Michael? I understand you put the work and time in. Yeah. Rhino on Rage. Thank you very much for following me. So many fakes, too scared to trust anyone. Don't blame me for 1 fucking second. Do not blame you for 1 fucking second. Yes, I fell in love. Thank you, Xander. Facts. I offered Tom 330k to promote my fake garage just getting to climb. Bro, I literally would. I've literally been offered the most ridiculous shit. And I'm just not doing it. Like, I don't care. He's a good guy, thank you. Can you recommend a good moving up stock for today only? I don't do stocks, Michael, sorry. I've been telling you to get rid of the sound for ages. Nah, we're keeping it. How much money do you make per trade and how long do you usually trade for per day? I don't talk about how much money I make. And 0.25%, my account. How long do I usually trade for per day? At the moment, without the indices, about 1 to 3 hours on average. I love his cute face and his honesty. I love Tom. Thank you, Xander. I love your support. Same, except for the cute face part. Whoa! Where do you trade from? Brisbane. What's up, bro? That's funny. You get pinned. That's funny. CIA. How can you be a date? Oh my God. As a professional guru, caffeine is not good. Top Step Futures is the best in the business. Fuck. Fuck! My bowling puts about a bank. Nice. Hi, do you have Telegram? I have a Discord. Fucking hell. Discord's linked to my bio. Right, you use a N. What? Where you from? Use a bot? That's not sustainable. Okay, I've been doing that for 3 years. We literally just did a back test in front of everyone. That's the equity curve. Okay, Gronk droid. Tell me why it's not sustainable. Fucking Jesus. What's your thoughts on XRP? No idea. We're stuck in a range. I wouldn't buy or sell it. Tom is a cute face. Thank you. Sorry, Tom. Love you. Thank you. Caffeine is the best there is. Fuck yeah. Are you financially stable for life? For life, no. I'm not at that point yet. What does your bot do exactly? You set parameters on it. You place it on the charts on a VPS and it will put in buys and sells for you. It will also put TPs in. However, I do like to adjust my TPs to specific levels. So it does I automate about 70% of my trading. Tom, I'll join the mentorship just to see your cute face more often. Thank you. Nah, you don't need to. That's all good. You've done enough for me. You've done enough. You don't need to. I appreciate it. Fucking hell, what a hectic hour. How quick did that fucking go? Holy shit. I haven't even looked at the likes yet. What the fuck? Holy shit, the rabbit drop again, up the top. 15.8, Khan 3.4, Kiwi David 3.2, Lian 2.1, Sienna 1.5, Shay 1k, Fair King 478, Punip 47, Punip 11, 400, Xander 300. Fucking hell, what are we at total? 46. Let's fucking go. What do we have to do? Wait, are we at our subscription present yet? Can I give the subscription out? I can give a subscription present. I can give someone a subscription. Damien, Sperm, thank you very much for following me. Are you fucking kidding me? Bro. Come on, you gotta be fucking kidding me. fucking cocksucker. Oh no. Oh, we're done. Oh, we're done. Yep. Oh, we're done. How long? How long till we go? Thank you, everybody. Thank you, everyone. Join the Discord. Join the Discord. Quick, join the Discord. Quick. Join Discord, follow. Yeah. Hello? TikTok? Come on. Do we just keep rolling until we go? Guys, I was doing so well. I was doing so well. I was doing so well. Small wins frequently. I have to reprogram my mind out of gambling mode. That's massively. It is, yeah. It is. It is a huge. I had to do it too. It's a huge. Like, what's the word? Change. Is it hard to do? Nah. Not at all. Trading in general, learning all. What the fuck is my hair doing? Why has nobody said anything? The fuck is this? The fuck is this? Like, look at me. I'm all scuxed up. All looking fucking pretty and shit, you know? I look so small right now. What the fuck? We're gonna get some new people in here and they're gonna be like, what the fuck is wrong with this guy? This guy doesn't trade, he has no idea what he's talking about. I'm popular tonight. Yeah, we're doing well. Dibs on subscription. I would have, but I can't get a fucking subscription. Nah, me. Tyler Wilson, thank you for following me. GG's ban chat. No, he's gonna get suspended. Where's the suspension? Where's the suspension? Now we can get subs. I can't. See you all in 7 days. Bye. Love you. You think Robin Hood? I don't know. Floated your back with that. Ah! Why would they suspend you now? Nah, they've done it before. They've done it before where I've gotten off live and then like the next day they suspend me for some shit the day before. I'm like, what the fuck? What they nab you for? Because I said a naughty word. It don't matter, here big thing now. Don't worry boys, I won't let this live end till I say, I said your hair looked nice. Yeah, no, it doesn't. I'm saying, why didn't someone say it looked terrible? For real though, that's why it's still here. Just thought you had a hard day. No, my day was good. It was just, I was just out all day. Kelvin, thank you very much for following me. You're looking like the next TJR. Brother, come on. Yeah, but I'm not gonna rug pull my community. You're still here, bro. Yeah, I know. Are you familiar with Ethereum's Pectra? No. I don't know what the fuck that is, to be honest. Look at all of Birchop's gifts. Is Birchop even still here? Bro, there's no way. Wait, Speedy, you still here? Fucking Jesus. On your account. How do we get out of this? Fuck. Were you saying it took 2 more on your card? I think Birchop's here. Oh, lame. What do you think about Hakanashi? Never looked into it. I think I did something to do with Hakanashi on Baby Pips. But I did Baby Pips a long time ago. Like a long time ago. So, I don't remember. Honestly, I don't remember. Hey! Thoughts Creation! Send me a heart me. Thank you and welcome. Welcome, welcome. Yeah, Speedy, bro, you're way too overexposed. Way too overexposed. Like way too overexposed. I don't even know. There's just too many Euro pairs. Like if you were in 1 or 2, it'd be fine. This is the Owly. Okay, so this is why it's fucking scary, right? I'm gonna pull up my. Let me just pull up my portfolio real quick. Currently, so I'm in Euro Pound, Euro US Dollar, Euro New Zealand, Euro CAD, Euro Odd. And I'm also in US dollar yen, pound Swiss, Swiss yen, and Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar. I'm in 4.8% drawdown. It's literally nothing. I won't even look at that. I won't even care about it. You're in like fucking 25% drawdown, 35% drawdown. Like, that's fucking scary. And this is the Achilles heel of the 5-5. Like, if you get caught out being overexposed on all of those pairs, this is gonna happen. Like, I did say it like quite a few times. It's gonna happen. But to get out of that, we gotta figure it out. So what your options are is shit. Whoops. Is that right? Yeah. What your options are is either what have we got? What levels do we have? What's the worst one? What do you have the most drawdown on? And we'll start with that. Hey, what's your trading, Tom? Forex. What the hell, bro? 50 likes. Fuck yeah. Thank you guys very much for 50k followers. 50k likes. Thank you guys very much. Tom, I really love you as a brother to brother. No homo, no dick. I love you too. No, you're awesome. Gold looks good for sale. I don't trade gold. Ain't they candles? What? I have to go to bed soon. Go to bed. Pretty blessed. Thank you for following me because I'm a child. Oh, God, then. Good afternoon, bro. Desan from Uganda. What up? Gold chat, you reckon? Petrio? Thank you very much for sharing the live. What are you most exposed on? Because okay, on the hourly, we did just gap fill. And now we're chilling. So this is, I'd be concerned if we broke up above here a bit more. But we do have some downside targets. Obviously last week's high, we might get some pullback to last week's high. We might also get some pullback to this gap here. On Euro odd. That's my most exposed one. What's yours? Fucking all of them. Euro pound. Yeah, Euro pound is cooked. Well, that's... Oh, and you're in cells on Euro pound. Well, I honestly can't see this. Oh, this isn't bad, actually. Euro pound isn't bad. Because this is pretty much... We're pretty much at resistance. If we can pull back down to these gaps, you might be able to get out of that. What was your most recent sell? 84053. I don't know. 84890. Wait, what the fuck? How have you not gotten in that again? 84890. Jesus. I mean, actually, I'm not surprised. You might take another one pretty fucking soon. Forget this break in the open. And then another one there. Even putting in an aggressive position might be worthwhile because we got support turned into resistance here, and we're back at these levels. This is a big move too. Like this is a decent chunk. Obviously, we've got this whole fucking move here that we never came down on. Slow grind, boom. It's got to come down at some point. It's how long you can hold on for, because you are well overexposed. Yeah, Euro pound, yeah. The only thing I can think of is scaling out of some of the positions. There's too much exposure. But the only thing I can think of for the potential of like a catastrophic continuation, in your case, because you're overexposed, is scaling out of some of them. That's the only, like taking off 50%. You're gonna halve your drawdown, but you're gonna take some losses. But at least you can hold on and then wait for a little bit longer to see if you get the pullback, and then you make profit on it anyway. You're just gonna be on an overall position. You're probably gonna take a bit of a loss. But it's better than it continuing and then getting margin called. At least you can hold on for longer if you cut the losses. Yeah, well, that's if you're up 230 this week, then you can cut some losses on that. That's fine. Like, that's fucking... And overall, you're up like a shitload. So, getting a hard lesson like this is... And cutting a tiny loss compared to the overall account that you're still up, it's better than getting margin called. And I'm just cancelling all the fucking positions. But yeah, that's why I keep talking about overexposure and too many pairs and all that shit, because it's a matter of time before something like this happens, and if you're in too many positions, you get caught out and you get absolutely smoked. So yeah. European, you in Sydney? No, Brisbane. Stefania, thank you very much for following me. And the Alphabet, thank you very much for following me. And Charlie, thank you very much for following me. I appreciate that. London sessions start at what time? Oh, fuck, I can't even remember. I don't know what it is now. I haven't traded London session in a while. 5:30, I think. 6 o'clock. 5:30, I'm pretty sure now. I'm pretty sure it's 5:30 now. I actually can't remember. I haven't traded London Open in a while. What do you think about Chime? I don't know what that is. For pullback. Are you selling for pullback? Yeah. Meme coins, how you feel about them? Good fun, but you won't make shit on them. Releases today at 9:30. Is it a crypto? What? Lola Montero. Dude, this guy came in here saying that ages ago. Like 4 months ago, would come in and just say Lola Montero. What's this about, man? What's what about? Time will tell. Yeah. You trading today? Yeah, every day. Bro, why are you marking out all fair value gap? I developed a indicator to do it automatically for me. I don't do it. Thoughts on SPY? I don't know. What? Sarah Wittix, thank you very much for following me. Well, WitX. Buy or sale. What? I'd be selling the majority of shit right now. Here from Wellington, New South Wales. Enjoy your live. Cool. Fuck yeah. Is Xander still here? Probably. Brizzy boy, even better. Queenslander, Toowoomba. True. I used to go to Toowoomba all the fucking time. I've been there so many times. Chill whale with 6 fucking finger hearts and a heart me. I didn't see the heart me. What the fuck? Chill whale is back. What's good? What's good? You are chill whale. Bro, you got hella to delay, like 2 minutes, bro. What? No, it's because I've got to fucking go through 6 roses, brother. Too nice. Too fucking nice. Nate, thank you very much for the heart me. Sirens93, thank you very much for following me. Do I stay in Brisbane? Too cold here? Bro, freezing here. I don't do cold. I don't do fucking cold at all. For your gift gallery. Oh shit! 3 donuts too? Are you fucking serious? How do I look at the gift gallery? Does it like update or change or something? Let's have a look. Oh, look at you. Bro, you locked down the top fucking 3. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, bro. That's super fucking kind of you. I appreciate it. You don't have to donate or anything like that. I don't need it, but I do really appreciate it. It helps promote the stream and everything. So yeah. Holy fuck! Chill whale with the fucking corgi? Bro. What the fuck? Dude, you're a fucking weapon. The fuck? Bro, thank you so much. And then Thor's creation with a live star. Oh, fuck! Dude, are you serious? No way. Bro, you're like the whole fucking thing. No more, no more. My eardrums. Fuck, man, that's on full volume too. Holy shit. A corgi and a fucking money gun? Bro. Thank you fucking so much, man. Thank you so much. Like... Hold up. Bro, that's so loud. Are you fucking serious? Dude, there's no way you have like the entire fucking gift gallery already. Oh no, I gotta update it. No more, actually no more. Like, I do really seriously appreciate it, bro. Like, holy fuck. Oh, bro, my fucking ears. So fucking loud, man. So loud. Dude, thank you. Like, actually, thank you. I don't know what to say, but thank you. Monster Pie and Nico de Gallo. Thank you very much for following me. Fucking hell. Chill Whale's always in here dropping fucking crazy shit. I appreciate it a lot. Look at this fucking... Are you kidding me? Look at the support tonight. It's actually been fucking insane. It's actually been insane. Who gives her a heart me and 2 popular votes. Dude, it's fucking so nice. Like, it's genuinely kind of you and I appreciate it. Tom Sport is soon you're going to be deaf in one ear. I know, I'm actually not even kidding. I'm genuinely concerned about my ears. Well, dude, it's worth the reaction. Nah, thank you guys very much. Like, Thor too, sorry. I didn't neglect. I kind of did, but yeah, I do really appreciate any donation as much as any other. Like, it helps a lot and I appreciate it. Mr. W, thank you very much for following me. All good to the reaction. My pleasure. Thank you. Good dudes get what they deserve. Thank you. Man, this is like another thing that keeps me like... Hold up. Can we just appreciate that this is the most likes anyone has ever fucking given me? The rabbit drop bear. Dude, you took over Migsy and Michelle. Migsy and Michelle. And Birchop. They were all at 20k. What the fuck, dude? I'd really appreciate that a lot. Yeah, this is something that, like, you know, just gives me a bit of a boost when it's like, is this shit even worth doing? Because I genuinely, like I don't get virtually any money for doing this. I basically do the majority of this shit for free, right? And, you know, like, nice messages like that and the support and everything, it fucking keeps me going, because I do a lot of this shit for virtually free. So yeah, I do really appreciate it, like, a lot. And the nice messages and everything too does mean a lot. Like, thank you, Thor, and thank you, Chill Whale. Now remember, encourage heart me and 2 popular vote. What does that do? Dude, I'm so, like, not in tune with the gifts. Is that what this is? No, hand hearts and heart. Oh wait, what the fuck? There's more? I don't know what either. I know what. This is really big, isn't it? DJ glasses, Galaxy. I think these are the big ones. Like no, I mean the other ones are big, but they're like the fucking ridiculous, like $100 gifts. Courage, heart me and two pop. What? Yeah. What are the heart me and stuff? Teamwork makes the dream work. Fucking oath. Yeah. Yeah. You guys are all like the reason why I keep doing this, and are here. If you guys weren't here, I wouldn't be fucking doing this shit. What do you think is Met 1? I don't know what that means. Of what? OF? Met 1 OF? Little moral, keep up the grind, bro. Thank you. I am here every day. Unless I'm suspended. Encourage more comments and likes. You should see when I do charity work in Africa. Do you actually? What the fuck? Bro. Like, if you actually do that, good on you. Hi, what up, Po? Because you're the best. Thank you. Thank you, I appreciate that. It's probably going to be a short one tonight. I know I've only been live for an hour and 20 minutes, but I was super fucking late. I was super late. I was like an hour and 10 minutes late. And I was not home for this entire fucking day. So, Met 1 mining company. Did I just scrunch this up and fucking throw this in a ball next to me? What the fuck is wrong with me? Fuck, am I done caffeine? Just had to get the last drop out. Met 1 mining company. I don't know what that is. Metals 1. I don't even know what the fuck this is. I got no idea. I apologize. I don't do stocks or any of that shit. This guy really just put a fucking I can't remember what they're called. It's how long I've been out of the meme coin fucking game. Encourage more comments and likes. You should see. Oh yeah. Because you're the best, man. You're so late. It's not acceptable. Yeah, sorry. What crypto should I invest in for quick return? I don't know. What's your prediction on PPI? No fucking clue. Hopefully, I don't know. Hopefully it does the complete opposite and we just get a full A shape. That would be fantastic. And then every position that moved strong because of CPI moves the opposite direction. Gets us some lovely profit. Yes, I actually do, lol. But keep the fans coming in, less aggressive, bro, more good chill vibes. Am I aggressive? Would you guys say that I'm aggressive? Like, listen to this music. This music's chill as fuck. Bro, I actually, like, can't believe it. Like, that's a lot of fucking coins, man. I appreciate it. Just, like, so much. I was refreshing the page and waiting to go, fuck, sorry. If you had Discord and you were in the Discord, you'd get a notification. But you can probably set up notifications. Oh, shit! We just got someone new in the fucking mentorship. Nath. Hey, was he in here? There was a few people saying they were gonna join. Nathan. Fuck, we've had so many comments tonight. Nathan. I'll have to message him. I swear, there was a few people. Nice. Why does that ring a fucking bell? Why does that ring a bell? Guys, am I tripping? Yeah, okay, cool. We'll get, tomorrow, I'm free. Saturday, I'm possibly free. Sunday, free. And then, like, all next week, I can jump in a one-on-one if you want. We'll get sorted. Welcome. If you need any help, like, looking for the fucking, material and shit, just let me know. Because it can be a bit of a hassle, trying to find it. I think everyone struggled. Literally every single person struggled to find it. So if you need help with that, let me know. You came in a good time too. I was meant to start filming. I finished off the masterclass. So I'm doing a masterclass. It's going to be like a fucking huge video. I've already got like a couple hours worth of videos, but I'm going to do one big, huge video on this shit. And I finished it last night. I don't know if Speedy, you're in here. I got it done last night. I'm just going to go through it and just double check everything, and I might need to maybe adjust one thing here and there. I was meant to start filming today, but I've been out the entire fucking day. And then my girlfriend's coming over soon, so I don't know if I'll be able to start recording. Because she probably won't want to fucking listen to me yell. So it might be tomorrow when I start recording for that. And then that should be out pretty soon. I'll just absolutely fucking smash it out. And then probably by the time you finish the other shit, you'll be able to watch that, which will be good. And then you'll be good to go. You'd be fine. I mean, you'd be good to go now, but fuck, you're gonna be a nerd at trading after that shit. Thanks, similar to my analysis. Oh, right, I actually did say. I mean, I don't, but bro, I got fucking absolutely no idea. No one knows what's gonna happen. Absolutely no clue. I can guarantee you nobody predicted what CPI was gonna do last night and absolutely shit itself. Like, I guess it didn't really shit itself, but it was negative across the board, which is why there was such a large negative reaction. And then GDP did not fucking help. That was just nail in the coffin. PPI, hopefully, I don't know, we get some positive news and then we just fucking, but yeah, I cannot see. I personally can't see unemployment claims going down. I can't. Not to 242 at least. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Not really. It's just the swearing. Oh yeah, I was joking. I am super aggressive. It's just like my personality. I'll have to like train it out of me, but it's just it's just like, I don't know. I've had a few like, oh, you fucking full of shit or whatever, but this is not really you. This is literally just me. Pending. Accept your friend request. We'll think about these people. We'll think about them. I don't know who the fuck they are, actually. Whatever. I accept both. What do you think of Euro USD? Actually, I haven't even looked at Euro USD, I don't think. Am I in it? Man, not on top of a single fucking thing today. I am. Pending PPI, we might get a bit of a crash back down. But look at these fucking levels, man. We broke these highs, which is just fucking nuts. We're just gonna have to wait and see. We will get a pretty hefty fucking pullback off of this at some point. Like a pretty hefty pullback. When that will be, when they start to run out of steam, we don't particularly know. I'm not allowed, sorry. Taylor above, so just little things. Let's go global. Oh, we will be. We will be. I'm just gonna, it's just consistency, and it's uploading actual content too is fucking hard, man. I don't know what the fuck to upload. My shit's so unconventional. People just post fucking scalping shit. And I don't fucking scalp. And that's why, because people have such fucking fried brains. I'm not allowed Discord. Okay, fair enough. Okay, don't have the Discord then. What's high frequency trading? If you're an institution, high frequency trading is exceptionally profitable and lots of institutions use it. The average Joe struggles with that because of our spreads and stuff, but yeah. Yeah, bro, done. Sweet. Yeah, we'll get that sorted. As soon as I turn 18, I'll be trading, but only if you help. I can help, but I don't. I mean, actually, you probably could. I don't know. Focus on. I don't know. Whatever you want to do. Can I copy your trades? You can copy what I'm doing, sure. Copy trading, I don't do it because it's all bullshit. How much you profited? You asked me this before. Hello, Alpha Wolf Capital. $1 zillion. There you go. Yo, what up, S? I'm back. What up, Xander? I'm about to go. Have you seen gold today? I have not. Actually, I did, but oh yeah. Bit of a pump. Do you trade Bitcoin? Nope. I got some, but I don't trade it. How do I learn? Join my Discord. Discord's linked in my bio. Join the mentorship. Welcome back, bro. Thanks, brother. I don't know what I want to do. I'll probably end up working at Macca's. There's nothing wrong with that. Wow. You're a chick, so who gives a shit? You can do whatever you want. The guy's gonna fucking pay for anything anyway. What excites you? Selling on highs or buying on lows, if that's how it works. Nothing really excites me with this shit anymore. Like, it really doesn't. I have such a blank mind towards trading, and you get that after a long time of doing this, because the emotions just, you lose the emotional side to trading, and you look at it just like business, just money coming in, money going, money coming in, money going, which I rarely ever have money going. Like, rarely ever. My week has been entirely green, and it is almost always entirely green. But yeah, you lose any real emotion towards this stuff. Yeah, that's another reason why I started this fucking community and everything. Cause man, like, this shit, I'm sitting here. I'm gonna be sitting here regardless, right? You know what I mean? May as well just fucking do something else, and something exciting, something fun, something that's fulfilling. Yes, this is absolutely fantastic what I do and how I have achieved this level of trading and everything, but I get bored, you know, sitting in the fucking apartment all day. I could do other stuff and whatever, but, you know, I just don't. I like sitting in front of my computer. And I like what I do now with the community and helping people and everything. Trying to get them away from fucking scamming pieces of shit. It's good. So, yeah. I enjoy it. Trading conditioned. I like that, yeah. Rodney and Martin Seguita. Thank you very much for following me. The rapid drop bear has reached 30k. There's no fucking way. Holy shit. Holy fucking shit. Holy fuck. That's getting saved. Holy fuck. I have to go now. I'm about to go to Sienna, don't worry. We'll go below now. I don't know, man. No one knows. See you, Sienna. Have a good night. Thank you very much for tuning in and staying up late and talking and being supportive and everything. I appreciate it. So you go, you have a good sleep, get up, get stuck into it tomorrow, because tomorrow is fucking Friday. See you tomorrow if you don't get to spend it. No, I think I'm good. I think I'm good. Come on, we just need... We're kinda fizzling. We just need this to come back down. But this could be a break and retest, which would be fucked. We'll see. See you tomorrow. Yeah, I'll be right. True, mix it up a bit and go live. A great idea. Yeah. Yeah. Well, I have the ability and the... Thank you for following me. I have the ability to talk, like, to anyone about anything, about, you know, if I'm in fucking public, I can just talk to whoever. I was in sales for a long time, so I can talk to people and fucking, you know, do all this shit. Like, I don't have a shy personality, so, yeah, I think this is just, like, something that I can be good at. I've only been doing it for a couple months, but we're picking up, we're going somewhere. How do you get started? Oh, just contemplating whether I can be fucked to get into it, but I will. YouTube, baby pips, buying courses, paying for mentorships, all that shit. I failed, found success. Failed for a year and a half before I found my mentor. Paid for a shitload of mentorships until I found my mentor, who I got nothing to do with now. Haven't for years, but yeah. Discord tomorrow or here? Discord tomorrow or here? I'll be here. I'll be live tomorrow. I don't know what you mean by Discord tomorrow or here, though. Manguane, thank you very much for following me. And Bob, thank you very much for following me too. Guys, I'm gonna go. I'm gonna get off. Yeah, copy, want to do it, but just don't know where to start. Go to my Discord. My Discord's linked to my bio, and I have a video on like just the bare minimum basics for trading. Like just the bare minimum basics. If you want to just try and get started, just watch that. It's all free. I have a mentorship, obviously, if you want to go further with everything and blah, 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 blah. Fuck, I've plugged it way too many times tonight. I'm going to hate myself for that because I do not like plugging it. But, yeah, if you want, it's there. Cool, thanks, man. All good. I also am on the PC for 6 odd hours at night. Nice. I need to do something more constructive like trading. Yeah. Yeah. Well, you could do it. You could have the charts on one screen and then fucking do your other shit on the other. Doesn't matter. If you have 2 screens, obviously. Oh, yeah. Cheers, will do. Oh, sweet. See you tomorrow night. See ya. I'll be back. 6:45 p.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time. I was now late today, but yeah, I'll be back. The rabbit drop out, bro. I cannot thank you enough for that, man. Like, that is the most likes I've ever gotten by a fucking country mile. Like, I can't appreciate that enough. I screenshot that. I'm keeping that. That's fucking insane. I don't think anyone's passing that anytime soon. And you're always in here. I just want to say thank you to everyone that is supporting me, no matter if you're just commenting, asking a question, if you send a gift, if you fucking send one like. It does help a shitload, as look at, you know, kind of where we've gotten. So I appreciate every single fucking one of you, and I will be back tomorrow night to do this shit all over again. I'm excited. You passed your first funded today. Congratulations. Drop the risk back. Take it steady. Don't go for those home runs, and you'll be right. Rodrigo Rebello, thank you very much for following me. But good job, Zax. All right, guys, take it easy. Have a fantastic night. Oh shit, I didn't even see that. Juven Tembo, this is cool. Thank you. Parker Lee, thank you for following me. MB, thank you for following me. Nate, thank you for joining the mentorship. I will talk to you. I'll send you a message after this. And just say hi or some shit, just so I got you in the inbox. And then we'll get a time sorted out. All right, see you guys later. I'll see you tomorrow.